Hi, in this video I will share it to you the SpringBoot with Swing. This one. After you download the project, um, open the file in other sources here in the SRC main resources. Then this application dot properties. Then this Aldrin change it to your MySQL password. Okay, so change it, then it will this command, it will create database in POS. So let's proceed to services here. Okay, let's start. Okay, this error, there's no MySQL driver here, so let's add new driver. So let's add here a jar file, so this one. Then okay, so let's try to connect, start. So we don't have yet Ino POS here. So back to proceed to a project, then right click this project, then run the project. Okay, this is Spring Boot. Then there's a window here, login form, and then let's try to log in. Okay, so we don't have yet account which is admin. So let's proceed to services, and then um, let's see in a POS, refresh. So we have here in a POS. So let's try to connect. Then we have connection here. Okay, we have three tables. So let's view the data so that we can add um, record for the user. Then let's add. Do not put ID here because that is generated auto increment. So let's add here Aldrin. Then let's put admin. Then admin. Okay. Okay. Then we have here username admin, then password admin. So let's run the project. Run. Okay, so let's try to input admin, then admin, enter. So we have here account admin that we create. So let's add a user here. Let's put James, then David, then let's put here James, then James, save. Yes. Okay, it is successfully recorded. Then if we try to update, then we can update this one to uppercase James, then James. This is lowercase, the user and password. So let's update. Okay, so it changed to uppercase. So let's delete this row. David James. Delete, then delete. Are you sure to delete the user? Yes. Okay. So this is um CRUD application using Springboot with Swing. I hope you learn from this project. So you will see the source code here. Okay, this is the main class. So you can explore what is inside of these packages. So I will give you the link in the description where you to download this project. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from this video and thank you so much. See you next video. Bye.